Hello, today I'm gonna work on the car Rolls-Royce Silver Quote Series 2. The heater issue means not make hot air inside, so I watch a lot of videos, especially in this one Ronnie's garage, and he showed this valve here, which I already stripped off because the car is not work for a long time, probably stuck with some dirty things inside. I will try to clean it and let's see if it's work again. If it's not, we'll look for replacement. Also, I will change the thermostat. It's just on process, the job. Outside is minus 3 degrees, perfect time for that job. But you know, the enthusiasm never stopped me. So the job is done, the model is out, it's sitting there, these 4 bolts. So how is look now? That's on the front, and see, that's why it's not working, it's stuck with rubbish. So I will strip it off now, try to clean it, and let's see if it's work. It will be good. If it's not, it will be expensive. Oh my god, Rolls-Royce. That's the bolts. One of the washer I lose it somewhere, but I'll find it later. It's a bit tricky to take it off, but all original, look, they stamp it. Pretty solid bolts. They will go now to be cleaned with vinegar, and after that I will lubricate it and bring it back. So see you soon when I strip it off. It's not stuck. It's working perfectly. How you see, I found very strange damage here on the cable. I don't think so this one is factory made, but probably that's why it's not working. It's cut off. I'm stripping off now. How you see, everything is very dry. A lot of rubbish coming from there. It's more free now, but maybe it's not gonna work anymore. I don't know, I'll test it. But that's how it look. Okay, I open the valve. It's very dirty. That's how it look. And when you move this, it's opening and closing. I open because it's look. No other way to be clean. So let's see, I hope it's working when I finish. A lot of rubbishes. Well, you can see the magic of the vinegar after one night standing on the vinegar bath. Look, now all dirty things, it's very clean. Actually, you can fix your stuck valve when just you have to change this rubber. Is available online, so you don't have to buy brand new stuff. But if you want to save time, yeah, you can buy it. Look amazing. Vinegar is the best cleaner. It's not aggressive and amazing result. And it's cheap also. Good morning. How you see, outside is again very snowy, but the job have to be done. So today I will try to take the thermostat out with this hot gun. I will heat it around, make it hot, and try to pull it up before I go radically with some other tools. Let's see. Of course you're gonna show error. It's -1 or something. So let's see what's gonna happen now. How you see, the thermostat is moving and even it's opening, but inside you can see very dirty things. So I will try to take it out now. Let's see. We squeeze a bit VW40 to help to release it. British engineering. How they think it about to make all these stupid things. Probably they created on the pop. Oh, start raining now. Fucking hell, man, British weather. Okay, see you later. So the thermostat is out. This one which I use is the hot gun and the back hammer. So you have to heat it good, put VW40 and apply the hammer and everything will go out. How you see, it's nasty dirty inside. I will clean the thermostat now with vinegar and I will test it if it's work correctly or not, because with the hot gun it's moving, but I will test it. Look what kind of gems inside. Any thermostat you put, you will stuck with these rubbishes. So that's for now. The weather go bad, start raining, so I have to finish. Many people ask me, why you not go mechanic, why not go garage? Because I don't want, I can do myself. Also I will spend a bunch of money, and who know that guy what you're gonna do, especially here in Britain. You go with garage where you pay full service history and blah blah blah, and they not change you even the oil. So thank you, I'm out of these games. Anyway, see you next time. My homemade test. I clean the thermostat with vinegar, brush a bit of gummy and stones. Now I put on boiling water to see if it's moving free, is open. Yes, the water start boiling now. And I see the thermostat start opening. So this means it will work. Don't have to be replaced. Yeah, it's open perfectly. Okay, take it. Yeah, it's open. That's great news. Mean is working. We save 350 pounds for these parts originally. I don't know why it's that expensive, but it's too much money. I see some aftermarket for 150 pounds or dollars, but that's good news. The original one still work perfect. It's 88 degrees. So thank you to watch my videos.